Welcome back to another Church Center app tutorial. In this video, we're going to talk about groups. So go ahead and open up your app. And what do I mean by groups? Well, life groups, small groups, men's groups, women's groups, whatever groups your congregation or the core has available to join or be part of, like Bible studies or book clubs. You'll find it in this section if it's been uploaded. You'll find it under the bottom footbar between Give and Calendar. Label groups. Go ahead and open that. Click it. Here you'll find all the groups you are a part of or have joined. Or if you're new to the app, you won't find anything under My Groups yet. But how do you find one? Let's just say you're part of a men's or a women's group or a life group already, and you want to start or join that group via this app. We're going to use, for example, men's groups. Let's go under Find a Group, and you're going to select Men's Groups. Here, currently, it's filtered Hills Christian Church men's groups, so you'll find all the men's groups that Hills has to offer, or whatever congregation you initially logged in under. Let's say you want to find a group that is a Core's women's group or a Core's men's group or et cetera, et cetera. You'll select Core Christian Community, or if you want to just find yours under Access Christian Church, you can select that, deselect it, or you can select whichever combination of campuses you want. But here you'll find all the groups that you can join. For this tutorial, we'll use the example of I Got Your Six Men's Bible Study and Breakfast that's available at Hills Christian Church. You can go ahead and select that. It's going to give you a brief description, or in this case, a long description of that group. See if maybe you want to be part of it. It'll give you a schedule, any upcoming events, and who the leader of that group is. Now, once you've already requested to join this group, you can view your group such as this, and it'll show you all the upcoming events that are planned for the future. This is a dashboard. If you go to the top, you can click events, and it'll give you all of them. Again, you can tag this to your calendar on your phone. If the leader uploads any resources for the Bible study or whatever group you're in. Maybe it's a book club and there's notes or there's some kind of reading sheet that they want you to go over. It'll be under resources. And you can also view all the members of the group. This is one of my favorite options and benefits of groups in the Church Center app, is that most leaders of a group, they have a text messaging group. And those can be frustrating because when you need to add somebody to the text chain, you have to start an all new group. Or if somebody leaves, you have to start an all new group and refilter. And maybe sometimes you're a part of two groups, so it's hard to stay organized on who you're texting via what group, because you only want information going out to the people that matter, part of that group. So here at the very top, you can select next to your profile the little comment bubble, which is where you'll start your conversations. Now here, it'll show you all the conversations that you're part of and which groups. But if you want to start a new one, you go to the very bottom for new conversations. You'll click the group that you want to message, and then you'll just start messaging them. And that is a great part about groups inside the Church Center app. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email David at mycorecommunity.com.